Buenos días, señora Pardo.
¡Aló!
La llamamos desde el Hospital Las Marías. Queremos recordarle la cita que usted tiene mañana por la mañana. Señora Pardon, ¿me escucha? Señora Pardon.
No entiendo. No entiendo. No entiendo. ¡Abuela! ¡Abuela! ¡Dame un vaso con agua, por favor! ¡Abuela! ¡Abuela! ¿Me oyes? No entiendo. No entiendo. How many times do I have to tell her that I don't understand? I no entiendo.
Grandma, can you read the Spanish story for me?
Of course. Los tres cerditos. No entiendo. I'm sorry. No entiendo.
Hola, bienvenidos a Easy Peasy Spanish with Angie. Today I'm wearing my Dominican hat. Llevo mi sombrero dominicano. Just to say. Well, today I'm going to teach you 10 ways to say I don't understand in Spanish. If you are watching this video, it's because you would like either to learn Spanish or to improve it. During this process, you will encounter different Spanish speakers with different accents, different backgrounds, different slangs, and you will probably have to say, no entiendo, I don't understand. But you don't have to repeat yourself like a parrot.
No entiendo. No entiendo. No entiendo. No entiendo. No entiendo.
No. Today I'm going to teach you 10 different ways to say I don't understand in Spanish. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Let's do it. The first one is the basic one. No entiendo. No entiendo. You could add before no entiendo, lo siento. I'm sorry. So you could say, lo siento, no entiendo. Lo siento, no entiendo. Número 2, number 2. No comprendo. No comprendo. And you could also say, lo siento, no comprendo. Número 3. Repita, por favor. Repita, por favor. Repita, por favor. This one, you probably know it. No hablo español. No hablo español. But you could also add lo siento. Lo siento. No hablo español. Lo siento. No hablo español. Dilo otra vez. Dilo otra vez. Dilo otra vez. Perdón. 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 But you would need to question. You need the expressions as well. So you would say, perdón. Not exactly like me, but in your own way. Next one. In this one, you are going to use your facial expressions as well, which are very important So you would say, ¿cómo? ¿Cómo? Literally means how. Obviously, in this context, it means what. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? So just use your facial expressions and the intonation, the right intonation, and people will understand. Okay? Next one, ¿qué? ¿Qué? This is a little bit informal, but it will depend where you are. I would, for example, if I want to use a formal way, I would probably say, lo siento, no comprendo, o lo siento, no entiendo. ¿Qué es más informal? It's informal. Okay? So you do the same. Use your facial expressions and the right intonation, and you say, ¿qué? ¿Qué? What? Next one. ¿Qué dijiste? ¿Qué dijiste? ¿Qué dijiste? Número 10. Number 10. This one, it's going to be very useful for you because most of the Spanish speakers tend to speak very fast. So this expression is very, very important. Habla despacio, por favor. Habla despacio, por favor. Habla despacio, por favor. And you could probably mix a few phrases. Lo siento. No comprendo. Habla despacio, por favor. Now, let's have a look at this real-life situation where people will have to say, no entiendo, no comprendo, repita por favor, no hablo español, and so on. Let's have a look.
Grandma, can you read the Spanish story for me?
Of course. Los tres cerditos. Lo siento, no comprendo. No comprendo. ¡Abuela! ¿Ah? ¡Abuela! ¡Dame un vaso con agua, por favor! No hablo español. She knows it. She knows it. I'm just learning. No hablo español. Habla despacio. Huh.
So this is the end of the lesson. Este es el final de la lección. Remember to subscribe. It's very important for our channel to grow. And to be able to carry on doing this type of videos for you, I need your support, and it's absolutely free. You should also click the bell so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video. I will see you next time. Adiós, nos vemos en una próxima. And if you study all my lessons, probably you won't have to say no entiendo, no comprendo very often. Bye!